Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find content policy settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings, and now you will find it here, content policy. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to find content policy on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.